Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we're on the monthly time frame for the full top-down analysis. I personally don't really care even if you are trading the 1 minute time frame. You need to know what's going on your higher roadmap time frames, because if your higher time frames are all down and you see a move to the upside on like below the 4 hour time frame, then you kind of need to assume that that move up is nothing more than a pullback within a downtrend. So it's very, very important that you understand what the higher time frames are doing at all times if you can. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I definitely am looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that we have two options. We're either now in a crescent to the wave 5, and this is just a little ABC, and it's going to go up, or maybe we're in a much bigger move, and this turns into like a something like this, and maybe even turns into like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a couple different targets. I got the 100% Fibonacci extension for a wave C target, and then I got this 161, 178 extension for more like a wave 3 target. And if it really is a correction to the whole 5 waves up, then it potentially should take out the low of wave 4. So this lower target right here may actually be more accurate or more likely. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, we have an impulsive down, which is either a wave A or possibly a wave 1. We have what I think is 3 waves up, either a wave B or possibly a wave 2. We do not have a breaker structure up. We do have a little bit of a higher low, so we may be due for a bigger pullback. Maybe this turns into something like this. But overall, the trend is definitely still down, even on the weekly time frame. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, and we do have price trying to form a higher low. This possibly could even turn into like a wave A, a wave B, and then go up and make a wave C like that, and then potentially turn down for a much bigger move to the downside. But like I said, we kind of need to assume that this move up is potentially nothing more than a pullback within a downtrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did get a break up. So we throw our Fibonacci retracement on here. We observe it to see if it makes like a three-way pattern up to a Fibonacci level and then turns back down, or whether it turns into a much bigger move to the upside. It's kind of hard to tell for sure. I mean, this is definitely impulsive. I would definitely say that this is impulsive. This is also kind of impulsive. So you would kind of think that this would keep going down, maybe even take out these lows. And then if it keeps on going up from there, then that would be more of a proper looking Elliott wave pattern. So for now, even though we broke up on the full hour, I'm still looking at this move up as possibly just a pullback within the move down, unless it goes up and takes out the highs. But since it did break up on the 4 hour, you definitely could be looking for longs on like the 30-minute, 1 hour, 15-minute time frame and learn and earn at the same time whether this is just a pullback within a downtrend or whether it turns into a complete trend reversal and does something like that. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, because the 4 hour time frame did break up and the 1 hour time frame did give us breaks of structure, I would be recommending longs for people trading it below the 1 hour time frame. And while you're looking for longs, hopefully you can learn and earn at the same time whether it does something like this and goes down, or whether it maintains very impulsive moves to the upside and just keeps on going. So that's where we just trade with the moves and hopefully learn and earn at the same time. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.